In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close a Jira ticket. Closing a ticket in Jira is a simple task, but it's important to understand what you are doing so the issue is updated correctly and your team can clearly see that the work has been completed. In this walkthrough, I will show you two common ways to close a ticket. First from the board view, and then from inside the ticket itself. To get started, open Jira once you are in. Go to Projects and open the project you want to work in. After that, click on Board so you can see all the tickets displayed in their current workflow columns. From here, locate the ticket you want to close. You will usually find it in a column such as To Do, In Progress, or another active status depending on how your board is set up. Take a moment to make sure you've selected the correct ticket before making any changes. Once you've found it, click and hold the ticket, then drag it into the Done column. When you drop the ticket into Done, Jira updates the status based on the workflow connected to that board. In most cases, once the ticket is in the Done column, that means the ticket is now closed. This is the quickest method if you are already working from the board and want to update issues visually. Now let's look at the second method, which is useful if you want to open the issue and update it directly. Click on the ticket to open it. Inside the issue view, look toward the top right corner, where you will see the current workflow status. This might say something like To Do or In Progress, depending on where the ticket is in the process. Click the Status drop-down button and then select Done. As soon as you choose that status, the ticket will be updated. After that, close the ticket view. When you return, you will see that the ticket has moved to Done, which confirms that it has been closed successfully. A helpful tip is to remember that Jira workflows can vary slightly from one project to another. Even if the exact labels are a little different, the general idea is the same. Move the ticket to the final completed status so everyone knows the work is finished. And that's it. Thanks for watching.